We're diving into the leaked info and features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a phone that hasn't hit the market yet, but Samsung is really set to impress with this model. If you're looking for an all-rounder phone with a beautiful design and amazing performance, make sure to watch this video for the latest details. The first and biggest change in the S25 Ultra is its design and display. Samsung has drastically reduced the bezels this time, offering an entirely different visual experience. If you weren't a fan of the rounded design of previous models, this version with its flatter, sleeker look will definitely catch your eye. On the other hand, Samsung has entered the gaming world. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset in the S25 Ultra is so powerful that it can run heavy and even console games smoothly at high frame rates. For example, this phone can run Red Dead Redemption 1 at an impressive 160 frames per second. This means the S25 Ultra is practically a handheld gaming console that you can use to play high-quality games anywhere. In terms of cameras, Samsung has also made significant upgrades, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor along with a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. This means you'll be able to capture incredibly detailed and clear photos. But it's not just about the big numbers this year. Samsung has focused on optimizing image quality to give users an even better photography experience. As for the display, there are rumors that Samsung is still using M13 panels to control costs. However, quality hasn't been sacrificed. Instead, Samsung has worked on enhancing color accuracy and brightness up to 3000 nits, delivering an exceptional visual experience. That said, Samsung needs to design an efficient cooling system for this phone. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset produces a lot of heat due to its high performance. Samsung needs to nail the thermal optimization for this phone to unleash its best performance. Finally, there's news that Samsung will be launching its XR devices in 2025. This marks another major step for Samsung in the world of augmented reality.